It's gonna be a nice day.
Oh no.
I can't believe this happened. 2 years. 2 whole years. It was with me. Like, can you understand? It was with me. And now he's gone. I can't believe this happened. I can't believe this happened. I don't know what am I gonna do without him. Hi everyone, I'm Jagana and welcome to my world. I finished my kettle's funeral. Today we will go and get a new coffee machine instead of my kettle. I wanted to start my video like this weird way because that kettle was with me like very long time, and it's very important for me. Like, this household item is so important for me because I use hot water all the time, every morning. Like, I can't get up without a coffee. So that's why when it got broke, I was like, oh my god, this is not good. I got so sad. And yeah, after that, like, I found a coffee machine, and today I will go and get that one. I wanted to honor my best friend kettle with this video, so yeah, let's go. But before I realized I'm actually very hungry, so I cooked something very delicious. This is kind of like hash brown. I made 2 layers from potato and I put cheese between the layers. It was amazingly delicious. After that, I realized I had a guest. A squirrel came to my window again. It happened before. He was so cute. I changed my clothes and I'm ready. Let's go. I started walking to the store. I'm planning to go to the grocery store also because I need to buy some stuff. I always prefer walking to there. It's about like 20 minutes. And when you come back, it's more like 20 minutes too. So it's gonna be like good 40 minutes. So I really like walking when the weather is okay. I came home and took a shower. I put my coffee machine. So yeah, I will start drinking tea right now. I'm actually very happy. I got this from someone through Marketplace, Facebook Marketplace. And it was kind of like brand new. They used so less. So I was like, okay, I will get this one because you know it's good. It's enough for me. And yeah, it's gonna like cover my kettle, I think. So I hope you will enjoy your day and thanks for watching. See you in the next videos. Bye bye.